Alright, today we're going to go through installing your end marker light upgrade kit to your Tm22g. Kit will come with a harness, 2 end caps, 2 male connectors, 3 T-taps, and a splitter. First thing you're going to want to do is remove your end caps. Those removed, set those aside. You're going to look in here, you're going to see a gap on top of the battery. Normally slide the wire up in the upper corner. Go ahead and hook your end cap up on this side. It's going to be brown to brown, white to white. On the opposite end, you'll have your brown and white wire. Go ahead and strip those back and put the male connectors on. Double check your crimps. Make sure your male spades are straight. Alright, then we're going to apply 2 T-taps, one on the white, one on the brown. Third T-tap will go on the double white you'll see in here, not on the single white. So you're going to see one that has 2 whites going together. You're going to T-tap onto one of those. Next thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to pop the switch out. Make sure you don't break it. And you have a brown wire. You want to disconnect that brown wire, feed it out. Hook that up to your male spade on the brown. The brown wire that you ran through the bar will then go to the other female. This white will go to the T-tapped white. End cap, white to white, brown to brown on their taps. And then you're going to feed this Y splitter back in. Apply that back on there. Put your toggle switch back in. Power it on, test it, make sure everything's hooked up. So essentially all the whites go to white, all the browns go to brown. So now what we'll do is we'll reverse engineer, reassemble the light bar. I'm putting the end caps back on. Make sure your wires are clear, you don't get anything pinched. Same thing goes for this side. Right here. Apply your end cap set screws. Try not to lose your hardware either. Well, anyways, basically just reassembling your end caps. Don't lose your hardware like I did, and you'll be good to go.